Alright, let's build a macro for, you know what, Among Us. This macro will be something that presses buttons for us. For example, currently we have to use the mouse when we want to press things like use or text. The most important one for a crewmate is the map, I think, so we just need to click on the map to turn it on or off. But then of course there's report and use, and these kinds of puzzles we cannot really make macros without a lot of work, so we're gonna skip that altogether. Just waiting for somebody to join me. Yes! Okay, so for some of these things we're gonna make macros now. So I'm gonna just create a new text file, or actually I'm just gonna select AutoHotkey script because I have AutoHotkey already installed, and I'm gonna call this Among Us Controls. And I'm gonna right click and edit this script. This opens this window. If you don't have AutoHotkey yet, just go to autohotkey.com, download the AutoHotkey installer, and then just execute it, allow it permission, and then install. In my case, I'm going to upgrade. And that's it. Done. I am going to use GIMP to help me identify the location of clicks, where I want to click. And I'm also going to use a video of a play session to identify the location of buttons. So for example, here we have the map location, the report and use icons. Here we have a chat speech bubble location, screenshotting this. Alright, and then here we have a saboteur or imposter UI. Okay, and now we see we need a few buttons. We need this location for the speech bubble during the chat, during the voting. We need definitely the map. We need use/sabotage, and we need report, and we need kill. So we can kill and report and sabotage faster. And because we cannot use the keyboard, we're gonna assign numbers, because numbers are not important for chat. Every letter is important for chat, so we can just communicate normally. Otherwise we would be clicking randomly when using letters to chat. So let's see, I think the map is the most important one, so this is gonna be number 1. I think this is the least important one, so this is gonna be number 5. And then since kill is imposter only, it's gonna be number 4. And then sabotage is going to be number 2, and report is going to be number 3. So 1 for map, 2 for use or sabotage, 3 for report, and 4 for kill, and 5 for chat. Okay, seems fine with me. And the thing about GIMP is that if we go to view, show status bar, at the bottom here we see the location of a pixel that we are hovering. So for example, this is 1558 on the x-axis and then 963 on the y-axis. This is from the top left. This is how computer graphics work. So we're gonna start with number 1. So we're gonna do the following. Number 1, colon, colon, new line, and then we're gonna save a position, current location of the mouse cursor, and later we're gonna restore it. So if the mouse is currently here, the cursor is currently here, we save that position, and after we click here, it will be moved back, or rather, click here, it will be moved back. So now we need to click at this position, which is 1844, 214, 1844, 214, and we have to use the click function here. So that's it. Let's try this out. We're going to try it out just by having this here. So I'm saving this file, and I'm going to just double click this. And now if I press 1, let me undo that. If I press 1, it moves the mouse over here and clicks there. Let us test this by having this on correct size. Okay, now we're at 100%. Let's switch colors. Now we're painting with black. And if I press 1, correct, what we wanted. Okay, so we can do the same now for 2 until 5. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 2 is gonna have the position. Well, let's go with the same X position. 1800, 950. 950. Number 3 is gonna have the same X position, but it's gonna be 720 over here. Number 4 is gonna have the same Y position, 950, but it's gonna be 1555. I'm trying to type 1 here, but that doesn't work. So to disable this script, we're gonna have to right click on the AHK system taskbar. I can right click that and exit, and now I can type 1 again. So remember that you have to kill the script So 1555 was the goal here, and 950. And then finally number 5 is gonna be over here, 1515123. Okay, I'm saving this. I can just go to File, Save if I want to. Double-clicking the script, it appears over here. And now I'm going back to the game and hope I remember the buttons correctly. I think I need a macro for the main menu as well. This is annoying. Alright, so checking the map. Number 1. Okay, clicking number 1 again doesn't seem to close it again. That's weird. Okay, so 1, 1. This does not seem to work well. Well, we won somehow. Great. That did not work too well. Let me just restart this script. Change the color to this. So, 1. What the heck? Okay, so pressing 1 clicks everything. Pressing 2 clicks most of these things. 3 also. Okay, so what we forgot is we have to, well, put these in blocks. So we need scrolly braces, scrolly brackets around all of these. And then return afterwards. So let's put a return at the end of each. And a beginning at the beginning of each. Alright, saving this. Starting. It's already running. My bad. So let's replace it. Yes. And now here in GIMP we can test it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Oh, by the way, this might get you kicked. Or banned. I don't know. It's possible. I hope not. So this doesn't work right now. Shoot. Okay, we have a problem with the mouse not moving fast enough, I guess. Like if I press 1 here, that doesn't make any sense. So I guess we're gonna have to replace these with mouse moves. Then a sleep of maybe, gotta kill that script, maybe 10 milliseconds, maybe 15 milliseconds. Let's make it 20. And then I guess just click. So let's do that. Adding these commands to everywhere. And replacing click with mouse move. Saving it. Oh yeah, it was off, so yeah, I'm starting it. Otherwise this will appear. Let's try. Right, can I press customize? Number 3, number 2, number 4, number 5, number 1. This does not work. Okay, let me just kill the script. Let's make the sleep 10 milliseconds after, before and after. And start it, of course. Well, it works sometimes, but not always. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, it seems to work maybe 80% of the time. Number 5 works. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, again, it didn't work once. Again, it didn't work once of the 3 times I just used it. Just now I pressed it, it didn't work. There, it works. It worked. Okay. Wow. Well, that was great. Nice. Thumbs up. Okay, I think we can improve this by holding down the mouse button for a while actually, and not just clicking once. So instead of clicking, we're gonna do send L mouse button down and then send L mouse button up. And let's do it like this. It's gonna be 10 milliseconds holding down. Let's do it for 17. And then 3 before and after. Like this. Like this. Like this. And like this. Saving, starting, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 1. Yeah, this works much better. So let's go to weapons. Wow, we are slow. Did I already mention that there is a chance that you will get banned for this? Well, just so you know. Okay, pressing 1. So now I could just real quickly check where I need to go next. This is really fantastic. Oh my goodness, I hate download missions. So boring. So freaking boring. So completely on it. Oh, come on. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 seems to be consistently working. 5, 5. Oh cool, I'm an imposter. Let's try this one out. Okay, killing that guy. Killing that guy. Killing that guy. Okay, I'm getting tired of this, having to press this X button over here. So I'm putting another layer in here. The X button is over here. This here is at 460, 450. So number 6 will be 460, 450. What? Oh, right, 6. Save, restart. And if I press 6, yeah, it closes it. 6, 6, 6, 6. Cool, that is very nice. Wow, they're gonna kick me, aren't they? Fiddlesticks. Remember, you will probably be banned for doing this, so don't use it at all, just to know that you could. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna know that I can add macros, but I'm not gonna do it, because I don't wanna even think about possibly getting kicked for this, or banned, or whatever. So don't use this, but know that you can, and use the newly learned skills for single-player games that are annoying. Alright, see you next time. Ciao.